Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ferdi Andrea Saputra, NIM 857004206. History of Birth of Metro City. The story of the birth of Metro City began with the construction of cultivation and the formation of new main villain named Trimurjo. Prior to Trimurjo, one of the under this of Gunung Sugi, one of Nuban clan area. The east area is town area without much influence from the local Lampung population. However, it's clear the Dutch colonial government see Javanese migrants colonies to this area to Javanese migrants challenge the area. Treat people dynasty on the island of Java and recruit the activities of industry activities. The growth and Freed of April 4, 1936. On Juni 1937, the name of the was clan of Trimurjo to Metro, and in the same year is the established as the Enfries center of the under this sub-district level, with Raden Mas Sudarto as the assistant to the district assistant Demang. Under this that by assistant Demang, what is district aided by Demang, what is superior of the district in under Abling, who is hid by Dutch control. The text of the assistant Demang is Cordon the clan hid by Paris and is crying out disputing he is assistant by Pembara, which Paris Clit and messenger of Pesirah of from being the height of the clan is allo the hand of the clan Kaulin Pesirah is chosen by the villain Blancher is Christie's clans. The residence of the assistant Wedan Metro during the Dutch and Lady Marga Chosten of several villages which were hid by the village and assisted by several trade cliques. The seat of the trade opened from that villain. The flag is by Balancer in the flag, and that time the village had more village Balancer order the village. Balancer can be obtained and the village hand is member of the council. During same period, the Dutch colonial government Bullermoor Road, as well as clean police stations and administrative office. In 1941, most office market and inwell will as well entity and telephone list the next telephone the contrion of equipment to as electrode. The net let employees ir swan to design imagination system. The design is known as the map press left. No, this formation is known as legend with 30 meter width and 10 meter depth for immigration clan from Kampung River the metro laboratory brought by migrants who are frequent and work in street. Construction began in 1937 and was completed in 1941. Origin of name. The first version of the name Metro comes from the word metrum. In that was named center, was named in the match between Central Lampung and East Lampung, even in the Mel Central of Lampung province. The second version of the name Metro comes from the word Mitro, Javanese, which means friend, partner, group. The motivated by the connotation that came from Persian region Sumatra, which entered the Lampung. At the time of independence, the name Metro City renamed Metro, with enhancement of are two of the international regional of the 1945 Constitution. Metro is part the Central Lampung region. Region 1945 that team Freight region of server was Burhanuddin birthday. The story of birth of Metro City began with question of new male villain named Trimurjo. The question of villain West is combat so the colons broke in the Dutch at Landis Order in 1934 and 1935. Always as comet the colons who were brought in later during the period of colonizations up from Metro. Other these were also from Nimali, Pekalongan, Batanghari, Kampung, and Trimurjo. The other these respite and retinal imagination plus grant from Wise Kampung. The immigration of West read out to by Collins would really still in the under. This complete know bedeng string with bedeng 1 late string Murjo and bedeng 67 in Kampung. With later became know bedeng thus as give name from example bedeng. The arrival of Jones in the flag of Trimurjo, namely of Saturday April 4, 1936, with flashbacks and the give the numbering of group of bands and Unil of the neighboring street is Papel and is used by Papel Metro City is general.